Hello, reptile enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the Gidgee skink, scientifically known as Egernia stokesii, a captivating and unique lizard species that adds a touch of intrigue to your reptile collection. This remarkable skink has distinctive features and care requirements for successful keeping. But before we dive into the fascinating world of the Gidgee skink, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. Let's begin by exploring the description of the Gidgee skink. The skink species is celebrated for its captivating appearance. It showcases a sturdy body with scales in various shades of brown, often with darker patterns. The Gidgee skink's tail is prehensile, meaning it can grasp onto objects, making it an agile climber. These unique characteristics make it a standout in any reptile collection. To successfully care for a Gidgee skink, it's essential to provide the right environment. These skinks thrive in a well-maintained vivarium or terrarium with appropriate temperature and humidity levels. They are primarily diurnal, so providing adequate lighting is essential. Their diet typically includes a variety of insects, small vertebrates, and even some vegetation. Maintaining proper temperature gradients and offering hiding spots and branches for climbing is crucial for their well-being. Gidgee skinks are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Gidgee skinks are a versatile and captivating addition to any reptile collection. Their unique appearance and ease of care make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and collectors. They add a touch of intrigue and natural beauty to your living space or reptile room, making them a favorite among reptile keepers. In conclusion, the Gidgee skink is a captivating and unique lizard species that can elevate the intrigue and fascination of any reptile collection. Their distinctive appearance and relatively straightforward care requirements make them a popular choice for reptile lovers. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel.